Phoebe is our Pembroke Welsh Corgi. She is 3 years old, and she is a wonderful dog. If you've been around our channel at all, you see her in almost every video. Technically, she's my daughter's dog, but she's become our family pet. She was born 3 years ago, came home with this little fuzzy thing, and she took a liking to us right away. And yeah, she's just a joy to have. These Pembroke Welsh Corgis, Phoebe is the darker color variant. They are very active dogs, and here she is at school. She's learning how to shake hands and do tricks. They are very active dogs, very intelligent dogs. They learn quickly, and they've got good personalities, and so we just love her so much. And I thought we'd share with you because people have actually commented about our little dog here. Corgis need a lot of exercise and mental stimulation. They're not a dog for just lying around all day long. You got to get them outside and exercise them and get them something to do. Give them some problems to solve. She's a smart one. You see it? Where's that squirrel? Huh? Where is it? You are forever ground bound. Huh? Where's that squirrel? See it? Corgis are a popular breed. They're in popular culture. You see them quite a bit. They were the Queen's dog, the Queen of England. And yeah, they were herding dogs. They're the smallest of the herding breed, and so they need lots of exercise. They need to be challenged. They need to have lots of activity in their life. They come with those stubby, short little legs, but they can fly. They're really good at herding. They were used to herd goats, sheep, cattle, poultry, ducks, all kinds of things. And so she's very alert, and she's very tuned in to what's going on around her. These are the most important things in Phoebe's universe. These are rubber flying discs, frisbees, doggy discs, and we love them. She loves them. So, watch this. There she goes. She's worn a trail in. You missed it! I'm taping for our channel and you missed it. Hey, wait. Do you want your frisbee? Do you want your frisbee? But it's oh so filthy and dirty. Well, you gotta wait a minute. Wait! You need to be patient. Corgis do all the stuff like dig through their food with their nose. They nose through it. They lay on the ground with a particular way of laying that is peculiar to Corgis. It's called the Corgi sploot. And so Phoebe will often cool off in the sploot position while surveying her domain. And quite a funny thing. Here she's wondering why I showed her rear end. Phoebe is terrified of fireworks. You can see her shivering here, but you know, there's a lot of dogs like that. She's a wonderful dog. Hey Phoebe, shake. So I thought I'd show you our dog and share her with you. We enjoy her so much. She's part of our family, and well, thanks for joining us on Black Gumbo. Please subscribe if you haven't. We'd like to have your subscriptions. It really helps us and encourages us, and Phoebe's happy too. So thanks for joining us today. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.